Former Director General of Equatorial Guinea's National Financial Investigation Agency, Baltasar Engonga, has been remanded in custody at Malabo's Black Beach prison. Engonga's arrest came shortly after reports surfaced accusing him of recording over 400 explicit videos involving the spouses of influential figures in the country. The revelation emerged amid an ongoing fraud investigation prompting officials from ANIP to conduct an unannounced search of his residence and office. During the search, authorities reportedly uncovered numerous CDs containing footage of these encounters, NaijaNews reports. The leaked video have ignited widespread public outrage and intense media scrutiny. In response, President Obiang Nguema Mbazogo dismissed Engonga from his position. According to Decree No. 118/2024, issued on November 4th, the dismissal cited irregularities committed in the exercise of his functions, as well as inappropriate family and social conduct incompatible with public service duties. Videos which circulated widely on social media on Friday, 8th of November 2024, showed Baltasar, the 54-year-old economist, appearing in court restrained with handcuffs on both his hands and feet. French blog Afrimatin confirmed that Engonga, officially relieved of his duty on November 6, 2024, was subsequently changed and transferred to Malabo Central Prison, where he is currently facing charges related to corruption and embezzlement. According to UG Standard, an online news outlet reported that the adult video began to spread on social networks, while Engonga was already detained at Black Beach Prison on accusation of misappropriating public funds, as corroborated by state broadcaster TVGE. In a fact check published on Wednesday, Dobawa verified Engonga's detention on corruption charges, affirming he is currently being held in Black Beach Prison. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV for more verified and reliable news updates.